Wyatt, what are you doing? What are you doing? You making a mess?
Coffee.
Really?
He knows you're filming him.
You got something to tell me?
American Idol in 18 years.
I know. Gabriel. Are you making a mess?
No.
I just wanted a little sugar, Dave. Just a little. Not a whole cupful. Here,
Hey.
wipe up your mess.
Wipey, wipey, baby.
Wipey. Clean up the mess.
Wipey, wipey. Come on.
There you go.
Good
You missed the
job.
wipe, but there you go.
Cleaning up your